Now this little guy started out as a chip of cedar from a tree that had been cut down next door to a property where we were working one day. I believe it was South Pasadena or something, and I was working with this lady that was talking about that she'd always wanted a pony, and now that she had kids, her kids also keep wanting a pony. And she said that I never got a pony when I was a kid, so why should you get a pony? So that was the story that was in my head when I found this piece of wood, and it just kind of felt like, you know what, I think there might be a pony inside here. So I started chipping away at it, and eventually there was a pony that escaped from this little piece of wood. And it was fun to bring him to life and to try to capture the movement and his excitement of being released from the wood, if you will. And one of the other things about this challenge was that it was so small that it was kind of hard to get the knife in there, but that was what made it fun. And it also goes to show you that it doesn't really matter the size of this little discovered piece that you have that inspires you. It could be the tiny little chip of wood like this, or a 7 or 8 foot palm frond, or who knows what. Just the neat part is you just pick it up and start messing around with it. And like, I'm not the greatest wood carver in the world, but the more I carve, the better I get at it. But the thing that's even more important, I feel, is to let the creativity get exercised. And the more you do that, the more the creative juices start to flow in other parts of your life, and you get better at problem solving, and you see things that you didn't see before, and find beauty in those things that maybe you hadn't seen before, and that inspires you even further in all aspects of your life. So that part is really, I think, the most exciting of all of this. So if you enjoyed these videos, please subscribe, like, and share. Now, let's create some art.